After the Supreme Court in-house inquiry panel report on wad of cash found at Justice Yashwant Verma's official residence, government is likely to start impeachment motion in Parliament. Justice Verma, who is currently serving at Allahabad High Court, was earlier serving at Delhi High Court when fire broke out at his residence and video of cash circulated all over social media. As per the Constitution, a judge can be removed on two grounds: misbehavior and incapacity, and the procedure established in Judicial Inquiry Act 1968. But how does a judge serving in a constitutional court is removed? Let's take a look at the process. First, the motion must be moved by at least 50 members of Rajya Sabha and 100 members of the Lok Sabha. Second, once the motion is adopted, either Chairman of Rajya Sabha or Speaker of the Lok Sabha constitute a three-member committee comprising Chief Justice of India or a Supreme Court judge, any Chief Justice of High Court, and a distinguished jurist in the opinion of a Speaker or Chairman. This committee is headed by either CJI or Supreme Court judge. Third, if the committee provides guilty findings, then it submits the report in the House, the motion was introduced, and then debate for removal of judge is started. Fourth, at least 2/3 of those present and voting in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha must vote in favor of removing the judge, and the number of votes in favor must be more than 50% of the total membership of each house. If Parliament passes such a vote, the President will pass an order for the removal of the judge.
गंभीर है। किसी भी सिटिंग जज के घर पर यदि पैसे का ढेर मिले, उसमें आग लगी हो, तो प्रश्न न केवल गंभीर है, संवेदनशील भी है और इसकी जानकारी पूर्ण रूप से बाहर आनी चाहिए। ये तो अपेक्षा जो है समाज में रहेगी कि पूरा सत्य बाहर निकलना चाहिए। इसी के लिए उस समय के हमारे मुख्य न्यायाधीश चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया संजीव खन्ना जी ने एक समिति का गठन किया। उस समिति का कार्य था कि सबसे जानकारी लीजिए और क्या तथ्य आपके सामने है उसको न्यायपालिका के सामने रखें ताकि सरकार तक ये रिपोर्ट जाए। अब भ्रष्टाचार के मामले पे चाहे हम बात करें विधान पालिका, कार्यपालिका या हम न्यायपालिका की बात करें या मीडिया जो चौथा स्तंभ है लोकतंत्र में, सबकी इच्छा है क्योंकि समाज में भ्रष्टाचार की उससे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये गंभीर चर्चा बन रही है और हो सकता है कि अनुच्छेद 124 का प्रयोग करके 50 ऐसे सांसद जो है उस प्रोसेस को शुरू कर सकते हैं। लेकिन कब होगा, तो मुझे लगता है जो भी 50 सांसद होंगे या क्या वो कार्रवाई होगी वो संसदीय क्षेत्र में वहीं से जानकारी मिल सकती है।
Though Justice Verma denied any link cash found at his residence, CJI Justice Sanjeev Khanna had reportedly recommended his impeachment to the President. Justice Verma's case is expected to be debated in upcoming monsoon session of Parliament. That's all for today. For more such news updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.